Thanks for sticking along on this Sunday morning. We're tracking several things in the forecast, most of it all within the next 48 hours or so. Isolated storms will be possible later on today once we have that sunshine building into our area. I know we've got a bit of a cloudy start right now, but that will begin to fade away, and those storm chances will increase later on this evening and as well as for Monday. And that is why we've got our weather impact alert day in effect for tomorrow on top of the heat that is expected to be building as well. Quiet locally right now. You can see some of those clouds just beginning to become visible on visible satellite. Well off to the north and west, we've got our energy kind of starting to brew for the next couple days. This is the general area that we're watching for those storms to essentially take full advantage of all the energy that's available within the atmosphere, and that will be heading our general direction. For today, Storm Prediction Center does have our area under a marginal risk. That's a level 1 out of 5, very minimal impact. I think those storms will be rather isolated, but heading into Monday, that's when the storm impacts start to increase just a touch. Right now, a slight risk, a level 2 out of 5. This could be increased over the next 12 hours or so as the Storm Prediction Center continues to analyze several things. One thing I want to show you here too, this is hour by hour, and then underneath all these like bright colors that you're seeing, that's showing how much energy is available within the atmosphere. So, and you'll notice there's a lot of energy just kind of stored up from all the heat that they've been dealing with up towards Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa. That's going to be generally heading our direction. Notice these storms that form right along the jet stream. That is what we are waiting for the development of. And if that heads in our general direction, we could be dealing with some damaging wind gusts. But you'll notice heading into Monday evening, not necessarily seeing a ton of rain here right now. But the thing is when you've got all this energy stored up, these storms can form very quickly. So we're going to be watching that very closely, even as we head into Monday night and early Tuesday morning. Again, hot and humid for us. General impacts are going to be damaging winds, some heavy downpours. What we're not 100% certain on right now is the exact timing, because those storms can flare up very quickly. So just have a way to stay informed with the weather forecast. Make sure your devices are charged as well before you head to bed for Monday night heading into Tuesday morning. Here's that extended forecast, that weather impact alert day in effect for our Monday. Temperatures are going to be into the 90s for both today and tomorrow. Once that system ends up moving out of our area, temperatures will be able to fall back into the low 80s for us. Maybe a few isolated storms left over Tuesday morning, but the rest of the week looking dry up until Saturday. That's when our next chance for scattered showers and storms will return back into the area, but temperatures looking to maintain pretty close to near seasonable for us as we get towards the end of July and into the first week of August.